and I just finished my poster and I named it Evaluating and Quantifying Brine Shrimp Population and Algae Concentration. So I decided to make this video because I could not participate in the photo gallery. So I decided to just make my own little review of my poster and just put it in my reflective journal for the week. So as you can see, I have pictures and graphs. Everything is color-coded and all that good stuff. I labeled everything that I could, so hopefully it all makes sense. So let's start. So my investigative question ultimately became, what is the relationship between algae concentration and brine shrimp population growth? So I stated that my hypothesis basically is the more algae concentration that we put, the higher the brine shrimp population growth will be. So my materials are included here. Had some jars with some lids. Obviously I had brine shrimp. We used algae, saltwater solution, all that good stuff. And the entire experiment is included here in the methods of everything that I did in order to get my results. So, and here are some pictures of what the jars look like and how it looked like when we got the information. So I decided to do a bunch of different graphs. The first graph is pretty basic, and I labeled it. You can see it on the side, and it's titled, all that good stuff, has a description. I did a bar graph for this particular one, and then for this one I did a line graph, and then for the last one I did a variation of the bar graph. Over here we have the data discussion. I discussed my results and what I thought. To me, the data discussion was a lot like a conclusion. So I just basically wrote down how the data related to my hypothesis, and my hypothesis was correct. There's more pictures of the experiment. And lastly, we have the problem solving. So I did run into some issues and I explained those and I said what I did to combat that. And I have feature questions such as, what role could temperature play in this experiment? And would the brine shrimp have a better survival rate if the jar was found indoors or outdoors? So